Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. If this is the first time for you watching me, hello, my name is Anya and it's gonna be a video trip in outfits Sri Lanka, and without the further ado, let's just get to that. Welcome from Nuwara Eliya, and this is my outfit of today. I'm wearing this top from H&M, shorts from Levi's, and my beloved Vans shoes. It's a hoodie from H&M that I really like, but the quality of it is crap, and after only one wash it got totally bubbled. And this is our room. We have a tiny little balcony without a door, so I don't know for what is that. They are having always these colorful toilets here. I don't know what's the idea behind. Now we're going to see some waterfalls and see you there.
Such a shock because I've seen Christoph Gontov doing it, and so here I am with the most beautiful waterfall ever, trying to master it. I regret that I didn't take my bathing suit. Do you feel like in paradise? Yes, I do. Of course, it's great. We are currently in tea factory and we have made 10,000 steps today. So it's already 2 days in a row, and hopefully we will make it every single day.
Hey you guys, we woke up at 4. Now we're going to HORTON's place. Katarzyna thinks that sunrise is overrated in here. I cannot show you because the camera is shitty and I cannot see a thing, and I forgot the battery to the other one. I'm just this kind of a person to forget the battery. Imagine that toilets here don't have walls, so you have such a view. Washing your hands. I'm wearing the hoodie, H&M one that you already know, top from Topshop. Under this one, cropped cami from H&M as well, leggings from H&M, and Vans. Basically today I'm like a walking advertisement of H&M. And we again reached our goal of 10,000 steps. Currently I am wearing top from Atmosphere, vintage bag that I got from brothers-in-law Levi's pants, and classic Vans shoes that I wear all the time because I don't have any other shoes. We just climbed Adam's Peak and the view is just amazing, so we're gonna chill a bit. It's a train thing number 2. We arrived to HORTON. Nalathannia. today we are cheating a bit, but just a tiny little bit with our 10,000 steps. I am standing here and Magda say good morning, but it's 1:40 in the morning. We are going to climb Adam's Peak. Everybody are saying that it's super hard. Well, the time shall show what's gonna happen with our adventure. Yay, we made it! This is my daily outfit update for you. I'm wearing a lot of layers. Top from H&M, raincoat drift in candy, H&M leggings, Vans trainers, socks, bag, the rings, the watches and everything. Oh, I got a new wristband from a Buddhist monk when I was climbing the peak. Welcome back. It's because we needed some relaxing time. We just stayed in this awesome villa that we have rented, and because of having rest, I am in my pajama bottoms because they're just so comfy. About this hiking trip, there was really a lot of people. As you saw, the sunrise was not there. Yeah.
There's something about it, isn't there?
Good morning, everybody. We are waiting for a bus to Calavana. Today we are not going to check anything. We're just gonna chill one day more because we're super tired and we have pain in our muscles. And I'm wearing raincoat because it's raining. Regular top from Topshop. Leggings, slides. We have to finish because it's quite possible that our bus just came, so we have to be quick. Welcome, my friends. So I'm back much faster than expected. They told us that the bus is leaving at 11:45, but they just meant that it arrives at 11:45 and we have still 1 hour more to go. So we came to the market. I started to enjoy some shopping spree. So I have got this thing. It's really cute. 150. Thank you. And I have just like this. If you are willing to buy some awesome souvenirs, you can buy it from HORTON, from the shop in a bus station. The prices are very good.